In this video, I want to talk to you about private mortgages and interest rates. Join me as we do a little bit of a deep dive to deconstruct the world of private mortgages. Let's go. Private mortgages carry higher interest rates than the bank. It's a fact. The main reason for that really has to do with risk profile, because private lenders are taking on more risk than your bank does or institutional lenders. So that gets reflected in higher interest rates. But within that world, what drives the rate on your private mortgage more than anything else is really the loan to value. And the loan to value, just as a reminder, is the loan amount. So your existing first mortgage, second mortgage, so the total amount of mortgage debt that you have against your property versus the value of your home. As an example, if your home is worth $1 million and you have a total of $750,000 of mortgage debt, that is considered to be 75% loan to value. The lower the loan to value, the less risk, because we have a lot of equity to cover the lender should a default occur on the mortgage. But as the loan to value creeps higher, lenders demand a higher and higher interest rate in order to be compensated for the amount of risk that they take on. Whereas fixed rate mortgages at the bank are determined primarily by Government of Canada bond yields, private mortgages are priced based on how those fixed rates are priced. So there's usually a difference of about 4 to 5% that private lenders demand in order to put out their money into these riskier loans. Private mortgage rates start at about 7 to 8% and then creep up from there based on the ranking of the mortgage, whether it's a first or a second mortgage, and ultimately the loan to value. The cap for most lenders is approximately 80% loan to value. And at that level, you can expect to pay an interest rate anywhere between 10 and 12%. At the lower end of the spectrum, if your loan to value is between 50% and let's call it 65, 75%, you can expect rates at the lower end in the 8 to 9% range. My name is Chris Mulder. I am a Toronto-based mortgage broker and have a real passion and specialty when it comes to private mortgages. If you have any questions or concerns or would like to discuss your unique circumstances, I'm just a phone call or an email away. Please reach out with confidence. Bye for now.